Welcome back, viewers. In today's video, we are going to check out the Artix Community GTK ISO. So I have already installed the desktop from the Artix Community GTK ISO, and it is using the OpenRC as a init system. So let us see which desktop is available to us in this ISO. So since this ISO is based on the GTK technologies, so either the Gnome desktop, the Mate desktop, or the Cinnamon desktop will be offered. Any one of these three will be offered. So it will be a slight surprise for us. So let us face the surprise. So as usual, the grub menu is being shown, and now the OpenRC init system is starting up the Artix Linux. Okay, so this is the greater screen. You can see it here. So this desktop is offering us the Mate session. So the Mate desktop is being offered by the Artix Community GTK ISO. So I thought maybe they will be offering the Gnome desktop, but no, they are offering the Mate desktop. And also you get the Kodi session, just like in the Artix Community KD edition. We have seen that Kodi was offered as a complete session. So here also the Kodi is there, and here you are getting the LXD session. So in Community KD edition, the LSQT desktop was offered as an alternative session, and in here you are getting the LXD as an alternative session with the Mate desktop as the main session, and the Kodi is offered as a we can say a gaming session, gaming and multimedia session. So we will be logging into the Mate session, and these are all the usual time date function, and the power menu is there. So let us start with the login. I think yes, I have to use the other password because there are some strict password complexity requirements. So my simple password will not work. Community editions take some more time to load up as compared to the standard ISOs that are offered by Artix Linux. So this is the desktop that is being offered. So it is a Mate desktop, you can see, but only with one panel that is at the bottom. So first thing, I think we have to increase the resolution of the. We'll go to the displays, increase the resolution, and then we will go ahead with the review. Okay, that's it. So the bottom panel contains the application menu. What is this? This is the minimize all windows. Then Hexchat is there. This is the Gnome browser. You get the Mate terminal. On the right side, this is the device mounter. Then you get, this is the network manager. This is the simple volume control. This is the network manager. You get, I think this is the, yes, this is, I think, this is the PAMAC, I think, yes, this is the PAMAC software store. So only this edition contains the graphical software store. Rest all the desktop, standard desktops we tried on Artix Linux, they didn't have any graphical software store or software manager. Only the community editions have the graphical software store. In the KD community edition, we got the Discover graphical store, and here we got the PAMAC software store. So that's great. I will now close this. Then this is the calendar. So on the desktop, you have got the computer icon, home icon is there, and you get the trash can icon. Now let us check out the different sections of software one by one. So here also it is completely loaded with software, just like in the KD community edition. So you got the Ngrampa archive manager, image viewer is there, quantum manager is there to manage your quantum themes. Leafpad is a native text editor for Mate desktop. The Mate font viewer, Mate search tool is there, Picom is there, it is a X compositor. Pluma is there, Redshift is there, SMB 4K is there, so it is an advanced network neighborhood browser. So you can browse, go through the network neighborhood. So the neighborhood nodes on your network will be shown here, and you can access them if you have got the rights. Song recorder is there, text screenshot, and the Wine-Trix is there. So here this edition comes with the Wine-Trix. I think this Wine-Trix was missing in the KD edition, but here they have offered the Wine-Trix. In collection, you have got HexChat, Mate Terminal, and Web. In education, you have got the LibreOffice Math. In games, you have got DOSBox, Lutris, and Steam. Just like in KD Community Edition, this also comes with multiple platforms to run your games. In graphics, you have got DigiCam. So DigiCam, I think, is normally, you can see it there in the KD editions, but it is available here. Eye of Mate is there, GIMP is there. Then image viewer, Inkscape is there, LibreOffice Draw, Mate color selection, and comics is there. So it is a viewer for comic book archives. Scribus is there, and the show photo is there. So let me open the M comics. Meanwhile, we will go ahead. Okay, so this is the M comics. So M comics is an image viewer specifically designed to handle comic books. It reads zip, rar, and the tar archives, as well as the plain image files. Okay, so this is it. Maybe we will have some separate videos for the applications. So it will be very good to explore the different applications, because you see in Debian there are around 57 or 59,000 packages. So there are a lot of many different software. So we can always check out the different softwares that are available and do the reviews, because see, people, even the users, don't know how many softwares are available there, because it is such a large collection of softwares. So maybe we should go with the application reviews also. Now let us go over to the internet section. So you got the Avahi server browser, VNC server browser from Avahi, Clause Mail is there. So instead of Thunderbird or Evolution, they have offered the Clause Mail. Yes, Thunderbird is there, so this is the additional. So instead of Evolution, they have gone for the Clause Mail, and Thunderbird is there. Firefox is there, HexChat is there, Lynx is there. So it is a minimal web browser in graphical mode. Okay. So minimal web browsers offer less features, but they are very fast on account of the smaller code size. So they can run very fast. Modem Manager GUI, Steam runtime is there, Telegram desktop, Thunderbird as we already know, Tiger VNC viewer is there, transmission is there, and the Gnome web browser is there. In Office, you have got the Atril document viewer, the LibreOffice Suite 7.5 version is there, Mate dictionary is there. In programming, you have got Fluid, Guinea, and the Meld. So these are all, I think, the development stuff for your GTK development, and in KD it was offering the Qt development. So it is quite obvious. And in sound and video section, we have got the Aegis sub. So you can edit subtitles for film and videos. Audacity is there to record and edit audio files. Brasero is there to create copies, CDs and DVDs. Clementine, this FM player and music player is there. Gnome CD mastering is there. So you can edit your CDs, audio CDs and master them. GUVC VV is there. Handbrake is there. It is a transcoder for your DVD, Blu-ray and other media. Kdenlive is there. It is a non-linear video editor by KDE. So some KDE stuff is there in this GTK desktop also. Kodi is there. So you already know what Kodi is. Alex Music Simple Music Player is there. MP3 Split GTK Audio Splitter is there. MPV Media Player is there. OSD Lyrics is there. So you can download and show lyrics for your favorite media player. Project 10 Pulse Audio visualization is there. Pulse Audio Volume Control. QTAV Player. QTAV QML Player. Qt V4L2 test utility, so it is used to test the videos. The video capture utility is also there. Just we lost it. Yes. Song recorder sound is there. So this is the, let's say, sound mixer for your GTK desktop. Sub downloader is there. So you can download and upload subtitles for your videos. Subtitle editor is given. In system tools, you got the Hawaii zero configuration browser. Kaja is there. Kaja is the Mate file manager, native Mate file manager. File manager PC Man FM is, it is a light file manager. FSUA launcher is there. Hardware locality is there. Log file viewer is there. Alex terminal is there. Manage printing, Mate desk image mounter, Mate disk usage analyzer, Mate system monitor, Mate terminal, modem manager GUI. So this was there also in KDE community edition. Power statistics, R Linux is there, so it can recover deleted and damaged files. Task manager is there. Timeshift and the VeraCrypt is there. VeraCrypt is the disk encryption with strong security based on the TrueCrypt. Okay, so now let us check out the system utility. The first is the disk analyzer. So here you can see total file system usage is around 12 GB. So this is also a heavy system. It is not on the lighter side. So because of so many softwares that are loaded, the ISO is you can say it is big, bloated, 12 GB. Not, we can say not bloated. All the necessary softwares have been given, but it is on the heavy side. Now I will close this. We will go ahead. We were in system tools. Now let us check out the system monitor. So this is the Mate system monitor. You can see here some of the CPUs are idle. You can see 4, 5, 6, 7 CPUs are idle. So it is only running on 4 or 5 CPUs, and the maximum CPU utilization, you can see it here right now, it is less than 4%. So it is very light, and the memory usage is 843.1 MB. So if your system is older or if you have got less memory and you want to run the community edition, you should go for the GTK community edition, that is this Mate community edition for Artix Linux instead of the KDE. KDE you can run where the memory is there. So if you got 16 GB of RAM on your system, you go with the KDE. If you got lesser RAM, for example, if you got 8 GB RAM, you are better off with the Artix Linux this Mate community edition. So that will be better for your system. You can see it here. So almost half of the system is consumed by the installation, and half of the file system, root file system, is available for, it is free, available for further action. Now we will go ahead. Let us check out if the power statistics shows anything. So it is empty right now because this is the first boot up after the installation. Okay, now what is this task manager has to offer? I think this is the LXQT task manager. Yes, this is the Alex task manager. Let us see what it has want to show us. So it is even showing the lesser memory usage, just 595 MB memory usage. Now let us check out. So this is how the, so very less number of processes are running with the OpenRC init system. So because of this OpenRC, the memory usage comes down drastically. Just I will go back to this Mate system monitor. I just wanted to show you the processes. So we will maximize it. You can see only this many processes are running. If you have a system with the system D, there will be lot of other system D processes in addition to these processes that are running. So here you can see only the Mate processes. You can see most of them are Mate processes. Very less, I think, from the OpenRC. So maybe this is, no, this is also genome process only. I'm not able to find any OpenRC process running here. Most of them are from the genome desktop or the Mate desktop only. So because of this, the memory usage drastically comes down and the system is speedy. Booting times are reduced. So system D is quite bloated. There are a lot of features as well as lot of other stuff is there. The patches are being applied, so this make the system D bloated. Now I think we are done with the Vera script. We have seen earlier timeshift, you all know. Anything managed printing is nothing but the free cups printing, open source printing support. Now we go here, let us see what is available. So this is nothing, home folder, desktop, computer, network, all these things are there. So this places is shown in the top panel in Mate, but this desktop, in this desktop there is only single panel at the bottom. The top panel is not there. This system also is normally shown on the top panel in Mate desktop. So here you can do the hardware settings, the power management, sound, NVIDIA server settings are there. Let us see. So it is only, I think there is no detection of the NVIDIA card because we are in virtual machine, but the NVIDIA settings app has been installed. Okay. Power management is there. Yes. So we have already seen all these things. I will not go in much details. Firewall configuration. Let us check out the firewall configuration. So I think it is the simple firewall. It should be the simple firewall. Yes. So we have to just start and keep it on. So it will automatically start every time the system is booted up, and it will run in the background for all the time. The control center is there. Let us check out the control center. So this is the Mate control center. You can see it here. Now let me check if any else things are okay. So now let us check out the about Mate section. So you can see here the latest Mate desktop, that is 1.27 is being offered. So that's great. Since this is based on Arch Linux, you will get all the latest software available in Artix also. Now let us go over to the appearance section. We'll check out the appearance. So here some things are there. Artix Dark is there, Blue Manta, Black Mate, Blue Submarine, Green Laguna, Green Submarine, Traditional Green, Manta, High Contrast, Inverse, High Contrast. Then you got Vertex Dark, Vertex Light, Yaru Green, and the Yaru OK is there. So let us try out each of the theme. Let us go with the, so what is this install button? So I think the installation is pending or what? Let us, okay, so you can install the themes from the theme files. Okay, so I think has been applied. Let me check. So there is not much difference here. Let us go with the Black Mate. Yes, now the difference can be seen in the panel, and yes, some icons have also changed. Now let us go with the Blue Manta. So this is the Blue Manta thing. This is how it looks. Then we go with the Blue Submarine. So this is how the Blue Submarine will look. Green Laguna. So this is the traditional Mate themes. Look very nice on Mate Desktop. Green submarine. High contrast is there. Okay, so this theme will not look as intended because the required GTK theme high contrast is not installed. So we'll have to install it using the software store, else or you can install it from the theme file. Okay, now let us do the custom. This is the custom theme. You can see it here. The wired icon, we can call them wired icons. Okay, NTX dark is there. So this was the theme I think we had installed. Okay, we have to go down. Sorry, this yes, Menta is there. Menta thing. This is the Menta thing. Yes, traditional green is there. Okay, this is how it looks. High contrast we already done. Traditional, okay, we will check traditional. So this is the traditional theme, traditional okay theme. Then vertex theme is there. So we are now in the traditional vertex theme. Okay, this is how it looks. So now it is the vertex dark theme. Now it looks vertex light. Okay, so this is how it looks, vertex light. Yaru is also good theme. I like Yaru themes. This is the Yaru theme. This is nice looking. I like the Yaru. And this is the Yaru okay theme. Okay, now let us try out the backgrounds. Let us see if they got any backgrounds. Yes. So all the traditional Mate wallpapers are there. There are no extra wallpapers, I think. Yes, these are all Mate wallpapers. We have seen it many times. So what we can do is let us try this one. How it looks. Yes. So this is the Mate wallpaper. Now let us try to let us get some backgrounds online. Let us see if the online backgrounds work here. Meanwhile, we will try this, how it looks. Not good wallpaper. It's okay. Yes. So when you open this Mozilla Firefox, you can see the Artix Linux home, Artix Linux forum, wiki main for the Artix, and the GitHub page of Artix Linux is already pre-loaded here. So all these four will open up every time you open the Mozilla Firefox. Let us go and check out the backgrounds for the Mate Desktop from the Mate Desktop org website. So they will have some good wallpapers for the Mate Desktop. Okay. We will go with the main page. Okay. So where is the wallpapers? I wanted to have those wallpapers. Stay with this wallpaper, or maybe we try it. Now it should work. Yeah. This is better. Let us go with this. Okay, this one not good. This one is nice. This is nice. So this 2 or 3 is okay. Now what we will do is we will add the wallpapers from the downloads. All the 3 wallpapers we will add. We will open it. Yes, now you can see this wallpaper really looks very nice. So I will now close this. Let us go over to the appearance. Let us try this one. This is also very nice looking wallpaper. And this one should be the, yes, this is also very nice looking. So you can go over to the website that I have shown you. So that has got some good wallpapers for your Mate desktop. So Artix doesn't have that many wallpapers or decorations for your desktop. You have to download the third-party decorations and wallpapers. So this is how it works here in Artix. So you will have to download lot of wallpapers and other decorations, themes. Not many themes are there. So if you want, if you are a lover of many themes, you have to download the theme files, then install it on your desktop. You can use the Quantum Manager to download the Quantum themes and then install it on your system. So this is how exactly everything looks in Mate Community Edition of Artix Linux. I think we have checked out everything. I will stop the video here. See you in the next video. Bye bye.